Alright YouTube, I have something new and it is the final piece to the puzzle, and it is Boom. Ooh, careful. So it is the HPCorse SP2 titanium, and I think this is the best exhaust for the CFMoto. And what I need to do is collect the CFMoto because it's still at Jarno's house, because we participated in an event last weekend. And on my way home I will make some sound clips with the original exhaust. And when the HPCorse 2 titanium exhaust is mounted, I will make some new sound recordings for you. So that's what you can expect in this video. And first I need to collect the CFMoto with this beast, the Honda Grom.
Alright guys, on the Honda Grom 125cc, I believe 8 horsepower bike. And this bike is fun. It isn't very fast. Here, let me show you. Come on, little Grom. And it is on knobby tires now, so I can do this. I have the Honda Grom for the girlfriend. She rides it at our local track. She is very short. And this bike is very capable actually. It does have O-lane suspension at the front. And this thing is the most fun ever. It's not fast, but it's the most funniest bike in the world. So if you want to know more about this bike, let me know. I'll see you at Jarno. Okay, package collected. The mud machine. It does look like shit. And I stole a mirror from the Grom, so it is fixed again. It is time for a proper wash. Yeah. Dirty.
Okay, clean, much better, it's clean. Again. Awesome.
Someone asked me not long ago how much money I spent on this box. But this was €5 and I had like 7 minutes, I believe. So now on to the house and blow dry the bike.
Okay YouTube. How about that? The missing piece to this puzzle, finally. Certified. Certified sickness. Certified noise. So it's finally going to happen. The exhaust. I went for the HPCorse SP2 titanium exhaust, and I went only for the dampener because when I do the collectors I need to tune the bike, and with tuning there comes a power commander or a dyno jet tune on the test setup thingy, and that will cost me too much money at this moment. So for now only the HPCorse, and here you can see the nice damper and the nice welding stuff on a titanium exhaust. And this is carbon fiber. And here is the nice weld. And here is the nice titanium exhaust. The SP2 titanium. And this is very lightweight. Okay, and then the weight of the exhaust. The exhaust is 2.1 kilogram. And does it actually work? Let's find out.
Give me a like and subscribe, please.
You tell me, does it work?
How about this?
And how about that?
You tell me.
Does it work? Okay. Tools. The wrong tools. Well, that's definitely more heavy. Let's put it on the scale. 3.746 kilogram compared to 2.1 of the HPCorse. Oh yes, nice. Certified. Must be one of the sickest upgrades for this bike. Alright YouTube, there is a removable DB eater, DB killer inside, but you have to drill a hole and you have to do some stuff to get it out. But I don't like that. I'm going to leave it in, so it's fine like this. Fits very nice. Even with my aftermarket bracket, I had to get it loose and then tighten it again for it to fit perfectly, because all is aftermarket, but it fits. It is very narrow and there is limited space behind here and I need to check that. But let's turn it on. Okay, the sound test. Mic in my hand, so follow that for the proper sound. All right. Okay, the sound is a lot better. It is improved. It is a little bit louder, but it's not too loud, luckily.
Okay guys, I'm going to mix the footage of today with that from yesterday evening. It's the same spot, only different weather. And this is the HPCorse, and I'm going to mix it with the stock exhaust sound. And I hope that you can get a clear image of the difference between this one and the stock. And don't mind the tires, they are a little bit loud. I hope that was clear enough for the camera. The stock exhaust. This messy bike. It was a fun weekend, but here is the sound. Alright YouTube, if you want this exhaust, it is available in a link that I will put in the description. I have it from shop.drommotor.nl or com, I'm not really sure, sorry Dennis. But the exhaust is nice. Certified nice. I really like it. It does not really match with my brown headers, but okay, I'm fine with that. The HPCorse SP2 titanium for the CFMoto. It was the missing piece, the final piece to this puzzle. Yeah, it looks very nice on this bike. And don't be sad, more is coming, a little bit more electronics. Another skid plate eventually, and some events coming up. So beside all the tuning and restyling, improving, making it lighter and maybe heavier. So I want to thank you for watching. I see you in the next video. I'm not sure what I'm going to do then, but there are upgrades laying at my desk for the CFMoto. Thank you guys for watching. Nice and goodbye.